Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. In last session, we have seen some actions regarding selecting the cell or range of cells. This is the continuation of previous video. So without any further dues, let us start this video. So the first action is selecting several rows or columns in Excel. Now this is my Excel file. So I will show you how to select several rows or columns. So what is the step or what is the procedure? Drag the mouse over the row or column headers to select adjacent cells. What does it mean? Adjacent cells means the cells which comes immediately after the other one. So like 1, 2, 3, like this. You can select like this. First of all, you click on the row header, that is 1, okay, or whichever you want, and simply go on selecting the range of particular cells like this. So I'll show you. I have clicked on second row, and now I will not move my finger from the click button. I will roll over the particular table. Yes, so I have selected several rows, and these rows are called as adjacent rows. Now what does it mean by non-adjacent rows? Non-adjacent rows means, let me show you one example. I have selected 3. Now I want to select 5 along with 3. So in that case, you have to press the control button from the keyboard. Just now I am pressing the control button from the keyboard. Now I will click the 5th row. It means that third row is selected as well as 5th row is selected. These are the non-adjacent rows. Like that you can select 7th, 9th, 11th, 13th, etc. These are the non-adjacent rows. How to select those? First of all, you have to select any one. I have selected 3. Now press control button. Don't leave the don't move the finger from control button. It should be there on the button. Okay. So I have not moved my finger from control button. I have pressed that button. Also I am clicking the cells. I am selecting the cells. Okay. You have to click in order to select. Click, click, and don't move the control button, right? Don't release that button. Now when you release that button, what will happen? Now I have released the control button. What will happen? Suppose I am clicking on 22nd row. So everything is unselected now and only 22nd row is selected. Same way for column. If you want to select the adjacent column, click the column and go on selecting. Don't move the finger from the click button. Okay, after selecting, just remove your finger from the click button, left click button, right? Getting my point, everyone? So this is the way. Now how to select the non-adjacent cells? Like I want to select A, I will select A. Now I have pressed control, CTRL button is there on the keyboard, control button. You have to select that, you have to press that. Don't release the finger from that button and select the non-adjacent cells that you want. Okay, now my work is finished. So I will move my finger from control button, okay, from the keyboard. Getting my point? This is a way of selecting non-adjacent cells. Next one, how to select all cells in worksheet? There is a shortcut key, Control plus A. You have to press control button, right? And after pressing control button, you have to again press A. Don't remove your finger from control button. It should be there. Okay, like this, or control A. Control A means selecting each and every cell. Control A. Control A to select each and every cell. You can see everything is selected, right? Everything, each and everything is selected. Now next one is selecting range of cells. Selecting range of cells. How to select the range of cells? Simply click the upper left. Now this is the upper left cell and it ends at the lower right side. Okay, so this is the lower right cell, this is the upper left cell. So simply you have to click the upper left cell and go on selecting till this. Okay, and now release the finger from the click. Okay, you have understood this, I think. Fine. Now what does it mean by extend selection? Extend selection. In order to extend selection, click the first cell and then press F8. Now see, we will see, click the first cell. So this is my first cell. For my data, this is my first cell. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to select the F8 button. I will click the F8 button, function 8. F8 button is there, upper row of the keyboard, function keys. And then, okay, I will select this, I will press F8 and then finally I will click the last cell. What is happening? F8 is not working right now. Okay, since I am recording this video, F8 function key will not work. Okay, so it will basically use to select the range of cells. So but this will not work in the recording mode because I am recording the video, that is why. Fine, so that's it for today's session. I hope you have understood all these 4 actions. In case of any difficulty, query or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. Bye. See you. Take care.